just spent the night in Tharangambadi. Had a pretty good sleep. It was pretty nice to have a bit of aircon and get an early night. So we're actually on the road at like 20 to 8. Bought ourselves a bunch of bananas yesterday, so we're having them for breakfast so we can sort of get going straight away. We've got a long day ahead of us. We're hoping to get to Raman Thamapuraram. I'll work on that pronunciation and yeah, see if I can get it a bit better later on. But as is taking the first stint, so we're gonna just hit the road, hopefully put some good Ks under the belt. Hopefully have no problems, because it seems we left our toolkit back at Johnny's place, so that's a bit of an inconvenience. But yeah, man, it's life, isn't it? We'll just have to slowly try and replace them, but it'll be all good. So yeah, we'll get back to you in a couple of hours once we've got a few Ks under the belt.
Oh geez, look at my hair. So we're just pulled over. Yeah, we're just buying some tools. So we got 4 spanners for about, I think it was like $4, so like $1 a spanner. And we just bought a like a spark plug spanner as well. And Elle's just over here at the moment buying a spark plug itself. How you going, El?
Yeah, good. Got a couple of spare spark plugs.
Oh, you got a couple?
Yeah, 65 rupees each, so...
Oh, that's the go.
Yeah.
What else did you get in there?
We got oil.
Oh, yeah.
Diesel engine oil, but they said it's alright for tuk-tuk.
Oh, well, picture of it. Yeah, okay, righto.
Multi-purpose diesel, petrol, engine oil. Thank you. Okay. Actually, oil for the fuel, the mixing. Oil gold mine.
So what you just got the oil that we got to mix in the fuel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if we get stuck with just fuel, then it should be right.
Yeah, yeah.
10 litres. They'll give us 10 litres of fuel. We can mix up ourselves.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so because it's a 2-stroke, we have to mix mix the oil in with the fuel, just as you do back home with the 2-stroke engine. So, buying a little bottle of that. Alright, so we're about, I think we're only about a third of the way through our journey so far. We're making good time, but at the same time, we're running out of time. So we've just pulled over here at the service station just to fill up, and we're going to, what's the name of this town? Muthupet. Muthupet? Muthupet. Town? No? Card? Cash. Yes, cash. This is Muthupet? Yes, so south. I can't remember the name of the place. And we're going to we are going to
Ramanathapuram.
Yes.
You are going to straight after easier road.
Yep.
Joint.
Yep.
Go direct.
Okay.
Ramanathapuram.
Okay, excellent. Thank you. Thank you.
Ramanathapuram.
So yeah, it's about
You go to 2 kilometer easier road.
2 kilometers easy road.
Easier road.
Yeah. Okay.
Straight go.
Okay.
Go into Ramanathapuram.
All right. Yeah, we're gonna try and find a spot to grab something to eat, but we've got to make it real quick. We got it. Today's a big day for us. Travel wise. So yeah, I suppose let's get this show on the road, eh? Thank you guys.
Okay.
Thank you. Shade at all. Oh well. Alright, so we just parked up. El's just grabbing his day pack out. And then we're going in for some lunch, which we're looking forward to. Alright, let's do it. So we've just pulled over, just pulled into like a little restaurant off the side of the main road here. And this is legit, man. This is so good. Thank you.
Al's happy.
What do you got there, Al?
I have no idea.
No, neither do I. But it looks so good.
It's a meal. I think one of those, like when we went to that Suru the other day. It's the
Yeah,
same thing. With
same
different
thing,
little bits of curries and chutneys, different things, and you just eat it with your thing, and rice. And it's just a cacophony of flavors, really.
Wow. It's like you get all the delights in one meal. Excellent. Excuse me, I gotta finish this. So we just finished our lunch at the shelter. It was amazing, actually. It was really, really good. We had so much different delicacies to choose from. And yeah.
Food baby going on.
Yeah, the guys were really nice. They helped us, kind of coach us through how you eat each different food and what the different flavors were and everything. And I think we may have even been the first foreigners in here, because they asked politely and went outside and got the DSLR, and we did a bit of a photo shoot of us eating as well. That's pretty cool. And then they gave us a menu and their business card and everything as we were leaving, and yeah, just really nice people. So if you ever come here, the shelter is the place to go. Alright guys, I'll see you soon.